Instead of hiring a photographer, if you want to create a professional headshot for yourself, you can use ChatGPT for entirely free. So all you literally need to do is drag and drop a bunch of images into the chat box and tell the AI to make a professional headshot of this person that looks exactly like them. And after about a minute, here is your AI generated headshot. Isn't that incredible? And just to showcase how much better ChatGPT is than the best free AI headshot generator just a week ago, let's take a look at this photo. This photo was the best AI headshot that you could get for free last week. But thanks to the newest AI model released by ChatGPT, this went from basically this all the way up to something like this, or this, where it looks pretty much exactly like you. Perhaps the only issue I have with these ones is still that it looks a bit uncanny. Especially if you take a closer look at these photos. So if you zoom in a bit, it has a blank stare and sometimes it doesn't look quite like you. So what I would do is, if I wanted to get a truly usable headshot, I would still have to use a paid service such as betterpic.io, where you can find a link as well as a discount in the description of the video. So as you can see, these photos look absolutely incredible and there's no uncanniness going on in most of these. For example, this one looks so realistic that there's no way to tell that it's an AI generated headshot. These photos are cool because you can edit these with AI. So you can click on the AI edit button and then, for example, you can request a human edit. So a real human editor professional will go through your image and make the changes you requested. And also you can use these AI editing features, for example, to change the clothing or to change the background. I have changed the clothing, for example, of this image right here into a Christmas style. And as you can see, it looks pretty incredible. The photo is otherwise the same, but the clothing has changed. So this is still my go-to AI headshot generator, but if you're looking for a free alternative, you might want to try ChatGPT and stay away from tools like Superwork AI or Headshot Master, because these are now just leaps and bounds worse than what ChatGPT offers.